Good morning, students. Now we are going to continue with the chapter 7 Quit India movement. Japanese threat. That is the time period of the World War II. The war situation was discouraging in 1942. Japanese army had attacked Burma, Myanmar and was marching towards Assam. Gandhi observed the presence of British in India is an invitation to Japan to invade India. Their withdrawal removes the bait. The Indians' leaders were anxious to save their country from Japanese invasion, but their slavery was a hindrance. Gandhi and other leaders were convinced that this situation called for complete independence from the British government. Immediately, Gandhi said, India's safety and Britain's too lies in the orderly and timely British withdrawal from India. So they decide to launch a movement calling upon the British to quit India movement. It means Mahatma Gandhi wanted that British government save the India from the Japanese attack or either British government quit from India and give the independence to India. Quit India resolution. Now, Quit India resolution, it means in 1942, after the failure of the Cripps mission, left no further meeting ground between the British government and the Congress. Here, Mahatma Gandhi felt that British presence in India was an invitation to Japan to invade India and that their withdrawal without remove to wait. He therefore asked the British to leave India in God's hand. The Congress Working Committee met the Wardha in July 1942. It adopted a resolution known as the Quit India Resolution. And resolution stated British rule in India must end immediately. That is known as the Quit India Resolution. It means British government rule in India must be end immediately. Quit India movement. All India Congress Committee met at Bombay on August 8, 1942 and passed the Quit India resolution adopted at Wardha in July 1942 and Congress proposed to start a non-violent mass struggle under Gandhi leadership. If this demand of immediate and complete of independence, but the Gandhi declared that it was the decision to do or die. Only we want the freedom. Government struck early in the morning of August 9th. Gandhiji and other Congress leaders were arrested and taken to unknown destination and the Congress was once again declared illegal. Here, government repressive measures. The government resorted to serve measure to crush the 1942 movement, but the press was completely muzzled. The demonstrating crowds were machine gunned and even bombed from the air. It means British government is now they are very harsh to the Indians. They are shooted many Indian people and bombing on the houses. Some of the prisoners were tortured. The police and secret police resigned supreme. Nearly 10,000 people were killed and 60,000 people were arrested by the end of 1942. That is the mass movement of Quit India movement. The military took over many towns and cities. Gandhi was detained at Aga Khan Palace in Pune. The other leaders were sent to jail in Ahmednagar. Fought in the end of government succeed in crushing the movement. But some of the impact of the Quit India movement are like the Quit India movement made independence of India as the only agenda of national movement. It means that India, the Congress, ministers and the Indians and the Mahatma Gandhi, they said that only the national movement is known for the independence. The Quit India movement strengthened the Congress Socialist Party because of its heroic role in the movement. Its leader Jayaprakash Narayan became almost a legendary figure. After the suppression of Quit India movement, the constitutional question remained dormant till the close of war in 1945. Henceforth, the battle of the freedom of India was carried by beyond the country frontiers. It was led by the Indian National Army and its chief Subhash Chandra Bose. Now, in next chapter, we are going with the importance of the forward bloc and the INA. How the Subhash Chandra Bose given the contribution in the freedom of India.